Hey there. Thanks for watching my Prime review by Billy Darr, where I'm not just going to walk you through this sales page or show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Prime review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this dashboard myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what Prime promises us. It's going to be a new app that forces the internet to pay them even while they sleep. One-click multi-channel app drives free traffic in 26 seconds that makes them $51 an hour. Created for beginners with no tech skills or experience, and you're going to get autopilot traffic from 300 sources. As usual, we have some big bold claims on this sales page. We've also got just 3 steps is all it's going to take. We've got some copy and paste proof of sales. And my biggest issue is going to be about a quarter of the way down the sales page, where they tell you that this is a multi-channel traffic solution, and it's channels that buyers actually love to use. Right underneath that, they tell you it's channels such as social media, SMS, Facebook Messenger, email, push notifications, video sites, and automated live streams. But they show you all of these pictures over here with YouTube, Twitter, WhatsApp. So let's jump into Prime and take a look. First thing we're going to do is go to training as always. And the Prime training takes you straight into Magic training. So Magic was released back in July of 2021. I did do a review on that, linked above if you're interested in it. This product had its own issues, but one of the things about it was a page builder. And Prime is definitely not a page builder. So this is not going to check any of the 5 boxes of good affiliate marketing training either. Back on the dashboard, you'll also want to come in and immediately connect your social accounts. The only thing you can connect here is your Facebook. So I don't know why they say existing accounts. I guess if you have more than one Facebook account. Once you do that, if you want to enable your bot, go ahead and do that here, or you can disable and delete as well. Once you've got those connected, you'll want to go back to your dashboard. You can see there's some problems. There's a little glitch down here that makes it flash, and it's just really will give you a headache. A little trick I found is that if you either zoom in or zoom out on this screen, it will stop doing that for you. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And even that's not 100%. So we'll try to go back to the dashboard. Now they do give you 7 different options. Let's start with the first tool they're giving us, a messenger marketing tool. Like all of Billy Darr's products, I don't doubt that they will put training in, and it will be button by button training. So they will go through all of this for you. I'm not going to go through button by button, but we will talk about some of the points. For example, here you will want to connect an email autoresponder. They only give you certain options, so if you don't have one of these, this isn't going to work for you. Next, we have the email marketing tools. Here is where you will actually need an SMTP API key of some sort. So you will need to pay for a membership with one of these options to bring that in here. And they misspell sequence here, but they spell it right here. And then they misspell campaign. So it's just sloppy. If we look at the email templates, they are just generic. You will need to come in here and build it out from the beginning. They give you a rich text and a drag and drop. But you will need to have all of your own information to come and copy and paste in here. There are no pre-done templates for you. They also, throughout all of this, if we look at SMS marketing, they don't tell you anything about these sequences, how to set them up, what should come first, what should come second. For SMS, you will need one of these accounts to come in here and put in an API to get that integrated. So far you're going to need at least 3 other monthly expenses to get Prime to work. If we look at the social media marketing, to import your social accounts, it takes you right back to just Facebook. So Facebook and Instagram are the only things you can do with Prime. It has nothing to do with WhatsApp, YouTube, Twitter, and it's right here. YouTube and Twitter are right here, and there's nothing you can do with them. All of this on the top in the social poster, you can do this in Facebook and Instagram without Prime. And the social automation tools, I have very strong feelings about this. If you automate all of your comments and replies, you miss valuable information that your community is talking about that you could provide helpful information with. For example, if they wanted to know how to run an email sequence campaign, you could provide some tips and tricks to get them started with that, because Prime's certainly not going to train them how to do it. So do not automate your comments and your replies for your social media. It will make you a better marketer if you read those yourself. Next is going to be push notifications. This takes you away from the Prime dashboard. This is a WordPress dashboard for OneSignal. So there's going to be some limitations in here because OneSignal has limitations in all of their plans. Next is going to be the video marketing tools. I came in here and created one earlier. I have the only one that has been completed. If we look at this, all of these others are pending. And that's because Billy Darr's products like this typically have a glitch. If we look at create new video, this drops us directly into something that looks just like Canva. Canva is free. You can make all kinds of videos and social media posts or videos with Canva. So go check that out if this is something you need. Because looking at this one, I can't get behind here to adjust anything. I can't get this left sidebar to go anywhere. Even if I tap on all this stuff, I can't move it. And if I do try to move it, now I've moved the overlay. I've got to get it back. There's no undo button. Looks like there's an edit image. Let me see if I zoom out. Okay, well, it still keeps it under this box. And if you happen to get something done in this editor that he's given you, when you go to download, that's why so many are still pending, is you actually have to go in and rearrange your Google settings for this to be able to download onto your computer. They told us that one time in like a 1 second on a training for one of his products, and they've never mentioned it again. And it is a glitch in every one of his products. You would think that they would try to tell us. And the last option we have is going to be live streaming marketing tools. And this is actually for pre-recorded live streaming on Facebook only. So you could come in here and set this up. I don't have a lot of faith it's going to work the way you need it to. There's so many glitches in this product. But I would think you would need to be live on a live stream. So what is the strategy that Prime is trying to get us to use? I was able to find this document that they put out where they say they are the world's first 7-in-1 cross-channel marketing tool. It's a multi-channel marketing application, an all-in-one media automated sales management. And the 7 cross-channel marketing tools are the 7 that we just went over here at the bottom of the dashboard. But like all of Billy Darr's products, I've got some real problems with this. My biggest problem is it's just super glitchy. I've gone over several of the glitches. This seems to be working fine now, but this is just ridiculous. That'll give you a really bad headache. They talk about 300 different sources of free traffic, and they show you all of these options on the right. But the only thing we've been able to connect in Prime is our Facebook account, which also connects our Instagram account. There's no training in here. And even when they do put training in here, it's not going to put these pieces together. It's not going to tell you how to use them to make money with. And with all of these glitches, they're less than about, let's take a look at Billy Darr Prime on Munchai. So they're less than about 20 hours out, and they've got all of these glitches in this platform. The thing is once Billy Darr launches this, if we look at his next launch, it's just a month out. Once he launches Prime, he's not going to be worried about fixing it. He's going to be worried about his next launch. He doesn't use these products to make money. He sells these products to you over and over again to make money off of you. Next, we'll take a look at upgrades, and that's not found either. I was able to find this page. This is the typical Billy Darr funnel. He always shows this. This is going to run you about $528, plus any of the monthly subscriptions that they're going to require you to have to make Prime work. But I was able to find a little bit of detail. This one actually has different pricing, which is common with Billy Darr products as well. And this actually is $391. So I'm not sure whether Prime is going to run you $528 or $391. But either way, if we look back at the sales page, there's nothing new about this app. I've seen all of these functions in previous products of Billy Darr. There's no multi-channel, it's just Facebook. It's not driving any traffic unless you have lists of people on Facebook that know you're into affiliate marketing and want to buy product recommendations from you. All of this is going to take way more than 26 seconds because a beginner with no tech skills or experience isn't going to know what to do with any of this. Guys, please don't waste your time, your money, or your energy on Prime. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And I really hope this Prime review answered all of your questions. If it didn't, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.